Hello everybody, please join me for a ride around GLCC Lake with the updated version of the Shuttle script that I have been working on. The script is still around 500 lines, but this time it controls both steering and speed all the time. Joystick is still the primary user interface, but this time there is only one button that will be used. The green button starts the ride, and at any moment the user can press the green button again to stop to pick up somebody. Then you press it one more time and you continue the ride. During every power cycle, one time you have to enable the drive-by-wire functionality. This is basically the safety in the vehicle, and this is what I'm doing right now. When you see the wheel moving, you know that the vehicle is ready to go. So basically I'm pressing the green button and the ride starts. Oh, seatbelt. So we're ready to go. The car automatically is put in gear, and then the ride starts. Right now I don't need the joystick anymore, so I'll just drop it off here and I'll enjoy the ride. Speed is derived from the pre-recorded GPS track. Basically, the GPS sends position every 10 times per second, and based on the distance between every two waypoints, I derive the speed at which the vehicle should be moving. In straight stretches, the distance between waypoints is bigger. In turns, the distance is smaller, and the vehicle uses this to control the speed. This time we are using the Dataspeed speed controller, which provides PID control of the speed, constantly controlling throttle and brake. We are approaching a turn, so the vehicle will slow down, and then will slowly turn. The steering is also controlled by the Dataspeed steering controller, which involves PID control, and I have done some tuning for the maximum lateral acceleration that should be used to make the drive more pleasant. It's still a bit bumpy because everything has been done manually. You can see how the vehicle slows down because we are going downhill, and now uphill it would start accelerating. Because we are following a pre-recorded track and I have stopped for this stop sign, now the vehicle also stops. It's a bit more impatient, so it quickly continued the ride, and now there is a straight stretch, so it is accelerating up to about 25 miles, which is the speed limit in this area of the road. Well, later I'll show you how we can slow down to pick up somebody. There is a pothole here, and I have went around it, so the vehicle also goes around. What else? I have updated the previous, basically to select waypoints I use a form of pure pursuit algorithm, but I have replaced the previous point model for the vehicle with the kinematic bicycle model, so that we go to waypoints not on a straight line but in curves. I like this stretch of the road for demonstrations of the stopping for somebody. So I press the green button, the vehicle stops, we can pick somebody up, and then when we are ready to continue we press green again and we continue. Yeah, so now we are about 3/4 around the track. I don't need controls anymore. The vehicle is doing everything. There are 2 more stop signs that the vehicle will stop. There is a car behind me, and that's why I'll put the blinkers on. Sometimes the car stops and starts a bit abruptly, and I don't like to surprise people. So we're approaching a stop sign. The vehicle slows down. Again, a bit impatient, and off we go. Yeah, so the script is roughly following the architecture that we have defined for our milestone target in June. So all concepts in this demo script are reusable, and we can re-implement in C if we want, or just use them as Python. The ability to mix Python and C code is provided by our ROS middleware. We are close to the end of the track. There is one more turn, and we'll stop in front of the main gate of GLCC. We don't need hazard lights anymore. I'll prepare to put the vehicle in park once we are done. So the vehicles will stop. That's the end of the track. I put it in park because we won't be doing more rides, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed the ride.